My name is Tuba. This is a water assembly. Waterology!
Waterology is an energetic musical school assembly show for grades K through 6
Here we go. Start a wave. Woo!
that covers the water cycle, stormwater, water conservation,
Awful.
and other water science
Who are all
topics.
these people?
These people?
And why are they staring at me?
Audiences are interactively involved
We went all over the world looking for a new water cycle song, and we found it.
with songs, competitions, call and response, skits, and humor.
From solid to liquid, it's starting to flow on down the mountains. It's on the go, joining other water sources from other snow peaks.
To book this assembly or others like it, go to showsthatteach.com.